Hello YouTube, testing 1 2 1 2. Do we have sound? I think we do this time. Stereophonic. I want to make this video about CDIO, Cardio Diagnostics Holdings Incorporated. They're having a good run this week. They started out last Friday at closing. They were just running around just under $1 a share. Running around $1, back and forth over and under $1 a share. So there was two news stories. Here's a bigger chart of the run. But they're running about 98 cents to $1. Price is just up and down. And then they shot up after two news articles got released. So Cardio Diagnostics Holdings Incorporated announces breakthrough in coronary heart disease detection with a precision CHD test published in the Journal of the American Heart Association. So they had that one article, and then they had this other article. Cardio Diagnostics established a new partnership to facilitate global footprint and expansion beyond North America with India-based a mill Ltd. So just based off of those two articles, they had a pretty good run. I'm not going to read these articles to you, but I'm expecting the price right now. Let's go to this chart here. The price is holding a good price. I mean, we're up to $2.31 from below $1. So over 100% profit for people that were in before Friday night at closing. Anybody that was in Friday night at closing has seen some good profits. And as you can see the red right here, there's some people took profits as it went up. And that's probably the right way to do it. But it seems to be a slow, steady ride to continue up. So if they release more news stories, I'm expecting this stock to go on up more. But you never know. We won't know till it happens. And you just gotta sit back and watch. This is just a prime example on how a stock can spike off of news. You got to watch it. But the thing is, this stock went up so fast that I'd say there's a lot of people that bought in after it already spiked right at 9:30 a.m. when the market opened. I imagine, and as you can see, the scary thing about it is it dropped immediately after market opened. It started to continue a drop, and that's probably some people were selling off. The reason it dropped, people were selling off, taking a profit that they had bought way back in here at these lower prices. So, but then, so far this week, it's like a steady, it's like a wave going up and down, but it's holding newer highs as it goes up. So, I don't know if it can break. I don't know if it's going to do anything else this week. But if they release some new news, if they release another news story or two, it could go up even higher. So a person could have bought in at under $1 a share last week, and now they've got a $2.50 stock. Well, no, it's actually, let's look at it. It's actually dropped down to $2.30. It peaked at $2.50 right here, but just under $2.50. But you just never know. Sometimes it just pays. If you go looking, if you subscribe to trade publications like Wall Street Journal, and they release the stories, or they put the stories out, there's like thousands and thousands of people that subscribe to stuff like that. There's thousands and thousands of people that's like watching some of these news outlets. It's Business Wire. A lot of people watch Business Wire, and then when they see a story, they're going to jump on that stock. And sometimes it pays just to watch this stuff. It's good to have these sites, these websites that release news stories on these stocks. Just to have them handy and keep an eye on the sites. And if you subscribe to the sites, get notifications in your mailbox. A lot of times you'll get a notification right before they put the story out on the website. So, or they'll send you an email. You get an email notification on your phone just as soon as they release it. The trick about this stuff is being in there, getting in it just as soon as the story gets released. But right off the bat, this thing took off. I mean, it was under $1. Yeah, 98 cents. Under $1, and it shot up to, if I can get right on it, $1.47 at this point. If I'm looking at it right over here on the right side, 147. Yeah, 147.50. And then it shot on up later and hit 182. And then we hit 223. And the peak right here, 267. And I see that down, if you look at the bar down there, there's some people, look like some of them sold right there when it hit 264. Some people jumped out of the stock. And there's nothing wrong with jumping out and taking a profit. You just don't want to get hung in something like this and the price drops back down to below $1, and then you're what they call a bag holder. So, but again, I just wanted to show this. This is a prime example of what can happen just off of news on the stock, and there's a lot of people watching this stock. So it pays to keep your eyes open. It really does. Anyway, just wanted to bring it to your attention. You guys, hope you're having a good start of your week. Hope you have a good Thanksgiving holiday. Remember all the things we need to be thankful for. And just appreciate our country that we've got. I know we've got some problems here in our country and stuff, but we do have a good country. We've got a good life compared to some other places. I mean, if we got war over in other countries going on right now, and it's just sad that we have to worry about stuff in these days and times. But folks, I hope you have a good rest of your week. Hope you have a good holiday, and I hope we'll see you in the next stream. Keep what's important. Keep your lights on. Keep food on your table. Keep a roof over your head. Keep your important stuff important. Don't invest any money that it would break you if you lost it. Don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. But just play it smart. Keep clothes on those kids. You don't want those kids running around naked. Anyway, you folks have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video.